In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Bluebeam Revu. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web page and head on over to bluebeam.com. Then from here, I want to go ahead and click onto resources, and under resources, click on the get the latest version of Bluebeam software. Now we can scroll down and it's going to say here we've got a few different options. So we've got Bluebeam Revu for desktop, or we got launch on web, but what we need to click onto is a download for desktop. But if you want to download an older version, you can down here if we scroll down a bit. So I want to download the latest version for desktop by clicking on that link there. Now it should automatically download. So if I go ahead and click on my downloads, it says here it's 2.4 gigabytes and it's going to take me about 5 minutes using my internet. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you guys once this finishes download and show you the installation setup. Okay, so once it's finished download, you go ahead and open it up. Okay, so once it opens, we can go ahead and choose our language and click on install. So now it's going to start installing Bluebeam onto your computer. Just give that a few moments. Now you should get this message here once it's finished installing, installation complete. So you go ahead and click on finish to exit. And now once you've done that, you should be able to open up Bluebeam and start using it. So we can sign in or sign up to the program inside of here. So if you want to sign in, go to the top right, click on the sign in button. A little box should appear where you can put in your credentials and sign in and start using Bluebeam on your Windows